Hi there, how you doing? I'm Sai from affiliateship.com, and in this video we're going to go through a strategy on how to increase your affiliate sales and conversions using bonuses, okay? Implemented bonus offers, okay? So when you're promoting the same product that hundreds or thousands of affiliates, other affiliates in your niche are promoting, you may face some competition, okay, which makes it a little harder to make sales. However, one proven strategy to tackle this and possibly stay ahead of your competition is to separate yourself from other marketers by offering your own bonus package, okay, along with the product that you're promoting. So think of bonuses like special offers and free gifts when the customer buys something through you, okay? So when you're, for example, in a retail offline environment, when you go to a shop, they offer special offers and stuff like that. You know, when you buy this, that's kind of like bonus that you can offer on the online world, okay? So what are bonus? Bonus are simply additional products that may complement and improve the buyer's experience and use of the product that they're considering, okay, to purchase. So you're basically incentivizing your audience to buy through you, and you're offering a bonus to them if they buy through your affiliate link, okay? So types of bonuses to offer in your affiliate promotions. So here's some types of common bonus that you can offer for your affiliate promotions, okay? So audio bonuses, for example, an audio course, a guide, etc. Video bonuses, a video training course or a guide, okay? Ebook bonuses, for example, a training course on a reference guide, a cheat sheet in ebook format, okay? Physical product bonuses, okay? You can also offer physical product bonus, for example, accessories, additional pen, free gift. I've also seen in these some of the magazines and even on TV adverts, you know, where when they advertise life insurance products and stuff like that, they offer you a free gift, you know, just for requesting a free information pack or whatever, okay? So that's type of bonuses, sort of, right? Okay, so also you can offer your personal help and support bonuses, for example, a 30-minute consultation of your time, you know, if you're promoting an information product, for example, a training course where they require some technical assistance setting up a website, for example, as part of the product training, okay? So you can offer your services to set up their website for them, okay? So that's like a personal service bonus, okay? So also you can offer experiences, okay? For example, tickets to an event or a place as bonuses. Another one, free gift voucher. For example, if you can offer Amazon gift voucher or retail store gift voucher, okay? For example, I purchased a Sky television package once, and Tesco, for example, as part of it, they gave me a Tesco, not Tesco didn't give, but Sky gave me a Tesco £100 voucher as a bonus just for ordering the Sky package, okay? So that's a bonus, okay? So tips on providing the best possible bonuses, okay? As you can see, there are many different types of bonuses that you can use, but most important, try to provide bonuses, yeah, that are in some way related to the original product, okay? So that your customer can have an improved experience of the product, your customer can have a more enjoyable experience of the product. The product can be used alongside your bonuses, to help them use the product in the best way possible, okay? So if possible, for example, provide bonuses to the value that could even exceed the value of the original product, okay? So if you can manage to pull this one off, provide bonuses that are more valuable than the original product, then that will definitely help with your conversions, okay? So for example, if you're promoting a video training course on how to become a professional photographer, so let's say as a bonus, you could perhaps offer a bonus guide on 15 ways to make money from photography, okay? So as you can see, it's related to the original product, okay? So they got the training course on how to become a professional photographer, and if you offer them this bonus of 15 ways to make money from photography, so that will help them a lot, because it's kind of related, right, with the so once they learn how to become a professional photographer, obviously they would want to make money from photography. So you're offering that guide, so that they can 15 ways to make money from photography, okay? So let me also share with you my own experience and implementation of this bonus strategy, okay? So not too long ago, I reviewed an affiliate marketing training course, which I personally believe is the best affiliate marketing training course program currently in existence. Trustpilot reviews and stuff like that are 5-star reviews right now. So it's called the Success Challenge for affiliate marketing, okay? As I learned so much from the training myself, I'm proud and excited to recommend the Success Channels. I promote it. Okay, I recommend it. I endorse it. And to people who want to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. Okay, so by learning the strategies from a seven-figure earner. Okay, so in the training, you're learning from a seven-figure earner, and with over 14 years of affiliate marketing experience. Okay, which is the creator of the training. Okay, called Vic Strausshouse. Okay, Strausshouse, if I can pronounce it well. Okay, so as part of my recommendations of the training program, I wrote a review. Okay, of my own experiences, thoughts, of the program, of the Success Challenge program, and my passion about the product, because I believe that it can help others, grow in their affiliate marketing business. So if you look at this example, that Success Challenge is about learning how to become a great affiliate entrepreneur. So taking this aspect, this topic about affiliate marketing into consideration as part of my bonus package that I offered to anyone who went through my link to purchase this product. I offered relevant bonuses that will improve and complement their learning of affiliate marketing, and also the affiliate marketing business operations, day-to-day operations. So for example, what I offered is I offered bonuses on traffic generation, because obviously to do affiliate marketing, you're going to need to learn how to do traffic generation. So I offered some bonuses about traffic generation. I offered bonuses on email marketing. Okay, so email marketing plays an important part in affiliate marketing, because you're going to be communicating with your prospects and your customers, follow-up emails, promoting more products through emails. So email plays a big part. So I offered bonuses to do with email marketing. Okay, list building is also, because you're constantly, your number one goal should always be in affiliate marketing to build your list. Okay, grow your email list, because your list is your most important asset. So I offered training guides and training guides on list building. So these bonuses offer additional training and guidance on running and growing the affiliate marketing business. In this example, so if you want to get an idea and take a look at the types of bonuses I offered, you can read the review. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below. You can check out how I offered the bonuses, what sort of bonuses I offered. Okay, and you can get an idea. Okay, so as you can see, by offering bonuses that are relevant to the affiliate product, you are increasing the value that your prospect is and potential buyer is receiving when they buy the product through your link. Okay, so they got a good reason, good motivation to buy from you, okay, as opposed to someone else that's promoting it. Okay, so they will be able to get their hands on these free bonuses that will enhance the experience of the product, but obviously when they buy from you, because you're offering these bonuses. So that's about it really. Try the strategy out. Bonuses, offering bonuses to your prospects who are looking to buy from you, and definitely it should help with your conversions. Okay, it's been proven, a lot of people do it, and it's definitely a great way to promote your affiliate products. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll put the links in the description, what I mentioned, the review. If you want to check out the review and look at the bonuses that I offered, and get an idea of the bonuses, how to apply the bonuses, you can check out my example. Also, if you'd like some free, I'll also link to this article as well, that you can read it in written form. And also, if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, and if you'd actually like some free training from my mentor, as I mentioned, the Success Challenge training is actually has a free training, and I've included as part of my free resources. You can check that out, and it's affiliateship.com/free. And when you sign up for the resources, as part of one of the resources, you can access that free training. Okay, so that's it for now, and hope you like this video, and see you soon. Thanks.